Tapping volcano energy can transform lives. Have you ever imagined using the searing heat of volcanoes to power our world? Deep beneath the Earth's surface, molten rock surges with energy waiting to be harnessed. Volcanic geothermal energy comes from nature's burning furnace, where magma heats underground reservoirs of steam and water. Engineers capture this intense heat to create clean, reliable electricity. From Indonesia's Darajat power station to Iceland's Krafla facility, innovative minds have transformed volcanic power into a renewable resource. In the United States, the Blundell power plant channels heat from Roosevelt hot springs, demonstrating how Earth's natural forces can fuel our modern lives. Understanding these complex processes may seem daunting, yet breaking them down reveals a fascinating science accessible to everyone. Imagine tracing the flow of underground steam, feeling the heat beneath the surface, and uncovering the secrets of Earth's internal workings. Each discovery opens the door to a sustainable future and inspires us to rethink how we generate energy. Harnessing geothermal energy not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions, but also provides a consistent power supply amid an unpredictable energy grid. By teaming up with nature, we find solutions that protect our planet while energizing our communities. New technologies unlock Earth's secrets, making geothermal energy more accessible. As engineers improve these methods, sustainable power emerges as a true promise. Join us on this journey of discovery and innovation as we delve into the fiery heart of volcanoes and the science behind geothermal energy. Every bit of volcanic heat captured brings us closer to a greener, cleaner future. Discover geothermal energy. Ignite your curiosity today.